It's tomato harvest time today, and we'll be harvesting loads and loads of tomatoes. We need to clear the greenhouse now of everything we have over here. The small ones, the big ones, the medium ones. We're not leaving anything behind. Maybe a couple of orange ones, but most of these are coming off today. Loads and loads of tomatoes. Today is a tomato day. Okay, so I have just harvested the mamand. A few more to go because I won't be here till Saturday, so I could as well I'll leave these ones to go a lot more red. Mamand beefsteak tomatoes, and you could see how they look, quite ribbed. That's how they are. And what do we have here? What's that hiding over there? Grab the one that's over here hiding, put it down. I'll leave this one's a bit orangey. Look at this over here. This is my Roma tomatoes. Take the red ones, leave the ones that's still orangey. That one's ready to go. No need for scissors, just coming off. It's good to go. All good to go. This one's good to go. Quite red. Those are the beefsteak and Roma tomatoes from the greenhouse. Beefsteak and Roma. Now let's get the cherry tomatoes. Oh, by the way, that little watermelon is doing quite well. That's the harvest from the greenhouse, just the greenhouse alone. And if we look around here, I've left a few because I want them to get more red. That one's not red at all, not even very orange, still has some bit of green. This one's orangey, but I'm gonna leave it some more so it gets very red. And I've left a few cherries that are red, just so that when I come on Saturday there'll be a few to nibble, and it won't be just orange ones but very red ones. My fingers are hurting me already because of these peppers. See how they look? Wax. They look like wax lime color, almost the same as the leaf. But let's go in some more. Go in some more, and you see that's how nice they look. So I've rubbed my fingers against it and it's hurting me now. Can't wait for this to go red. I don't know if they will ever get red. I hope so though. Loads of them hanging all about. And that's it for the greenhouse. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Look at those ones. This side of the polytunnel, how large they are. Look at, just got big tomatoes everywhere, red tomatoes everywhere. Sometimes this appears as if it's overwhelming. Right, just the work of picking this all up. The harvest is plenty, but the workers are few, and I'm the only worker here. I'm gonna pick all of this. Okay, we better get to it then. Come see what's here. We'll come back for the tomatoes. This is why I have fewer cucumbers currently on the plant. because of this big one. Put my hand so you could see. That's how big it is. Quite big. So I would be, see, keep steady. Right, need to take it off now. Yeah, that's a male flower. The difference is if I show you the one that's a female that's going to give us cucumber, you see it looks different. That's one over there. Not so clear. Let me bring this one. Look at that. So that's the flower. Oops, sorry. That's the flower. And that's the cucumber forming over here. It's different from the male ones. Look at the male one. Nothing forming at the bottom. So what you just want to do is take this off, because they are bitter. They make the cucumber, the female one that forms the fruit, bitter. Look at what we have here. So much to harvest, so much. Goodness me, I was gonna get all this off. I get tired. I better get to it. Can't be here all day. Look at these. Need to harvest this now. Don't need that leaf anymore. It's not supporting any plants, because all of these is coming off except the one that looks a bit green, and the other one that's still has a bit of green, but the other big tree are coming off. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Loads and loads of this. So very much of this. Okay, got those ones there. Now let's get this ones here. Okay, those two are off. Any other big ones to go? Oh yeah, there is a few here. There's a big one over there, ready to go. Yep, these are ready to go. Okay, I think I'll leave the rest of the beefsteak to get a bit more red and now focus on the cherries. It's just a lot of them. See what I mean? Who's gonna pick all of this? Oh wow. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this, but yeah, I need to get them off. I need to do something. Maybe I'll cut the trusses rather than picking them one by one. I'll cut the trusses to save me time, then go pick and clean it up when I get home. I think that's the only way. If not, I'll be here. It's already around, I think, to 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. So I need to leave this place. Oh, there's one over there I need to go grab. There's a beefsteak and it's red. So, yep. Okay, guys. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. And that will probably be the last you're gonna see today regarding me harvesting this. So what I'm saying is, instead of picking all this one by one, I'll look for a truss that everything is red. Let me use this as an example. It's not very red, but I'll do something like this, right? Just get it all off rather than picking it one by one, and that should save me loads of time. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. We'll leave it here for today. Done a lot, and there's so much more to do. If I stay here recording more of what's going on here, I'm not gonna go home. So yeah, that's the trade-off. Do a bit and get back to doing the actual gardening which is the most important thing, getting my harvests. This is harvest season. Time needs to be spent wisely. And the best way to spend your time during harvest season is harvesting. That's only the beefsteak and the cucumber. I need to now get the cherries. I showed you what I need to pick, but that's only the beefsteak. Look at the cherries. They're all still there. All still here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today's tour of the allotments. I trust you've gained something today and you would like to see more of what we do, including learning some tips on how to garden in an easy way for those of us that are constrained with time. Then there are more videos that I have on my channel. Just look at the next one that YouTube would recommend to you. Thank you. Catch you some other time.